So let's get straight into UNIBOT. Okay, so here is UNIBOT. I think UNIBOT still has another wave towards the upside. I can already count. Okay, this is just simple mathematics. Bro, where's my... Okay, it's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, I think we're aiming towards close to $300 though. I don't know if you're going to be hitting $300 or not, but I suspect that we might be heading past $200. Right, we are facing some sort of a resistance at $200 right now, so you can already see a valley that's being formed. Right, we will see another valley. We will see a high quality tradable chart pattern for UNIBOT, or will UNIBOT just start zipping up like that? It could, but in terms of tradability, I would not be rushing in here because I don't know where to take profits for UNIBOT. And another thing about UNIBOT is that we're already very close to the end. We're already in wave 5. And if you're trading wave 5, you must have a take profit level. You must have a stop loss because things can always go wrong, right? You may just zip up a little bit and zip back down. So imagine if you went in over here, right? And if things drop all the way to the lows over here, this is a 50% drop. It's so dangerous to rush into UNIBOT at this point of time, right? The best thing that could happen for UNIBOT from the perspective of a trader is to see a proper consolidation. What I mean by that is, yeah, ABCDE would be great. This would be awesome if we could see something like that. Then I will probably say with more confidence that, yeah, more likely than not, this will be a very good trade. More likely than not, right? I mean, of course, at this point of time, you know, this is just hype that's pushing UNIBOT up. So you still need to secure our profits wherever you get in, whether if it's here or at the very bottom or on the way up, you know, wherever your entries are, or even here as well. You need to start securing profits once we go past this high, because you just don't know how much higher things are going to go, right? Just secure some if you're not really that, you know, try not to play into the greed of your own emotions, right? Or otherwise you're gonna go for a round trip, right? Like all things, as volatile as it is, it rises, right? It will also drop towards the downside. I'm just gonna use a very good example, right? If you look at Solana, way back. Okay, wait, it's not here. Let me give you a good example. Solana, yes sir. So you can see Solana, 5 waves, right? Where's this? 1, down 2, up 3, down 4, up 5. But this is a very big impulsive wave, right? We're just using this as an example, and you know, try not to get too caught with the euphoria that you might see $1,000 for Sol, right? Sol only topped out at around 255. At the bottom over here, we had proper consolidation, right? On UNIBOT, there is no proper consolidation. Even if we were to rise, again, it's very unpredictable. So yeah, anyway, Sol was a crazy one, but like I was saying, as volatile as it is towards the upside, it will also be very volatile towards the downside. We dropped 96%. So yeah, there we go. So that's why it's very wise, you know, to secure profits as we go along. Let's just say, for example, right, we are in a wave 4, like how UNIBOT is at the moment, right? You'll be wise to secure your profits as you go along, right? Let's say you make an entry at, let's say, I don't know, $40, right? The moment it goes to close to $100, you know, time to secure some profits, right? Maybe 150 again, secure some profits, right? It goes to 200 again, secure some profits, right? 250, that was the top, secure some profits. And you will expect 300, but 300 didn't come. What happened? We zipped down. But you'll be glad that you secured profits all the way up to 250, which is close to the top, right? That would be a more realistic way of doing things. But again, it's still pure guessing, you know. We don't really know exactly how much higher it was going to go, right? The only indicator that we have, the magic indicator, was a skinny pink line. The moment you touch the skinny pink line, that's it. Bear trend on. It's like a switch that's turned on. And then after that, that's it. We spend time under the skinny pink line. Right, until we broke back up again. Okay, now we're back up. So UNIBOT, again, we don't have any skinny pink line for UNIBOT on the daily. Okay, I think if we were to drop to the smaller time frames, we'll see it. Okay, let's look at it on the 4 hours. Okay, we're still above it, right? There's a tiny line over here, hairline. So we're still in a bullish trend, right? So that's what I was saying. We expect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we're in the midst of a wave 5, more likely than not. So I think there's still more upside for Unibot. The only question is how much higher. Probably past 200, but how much higher, right? This in itself could really be a complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Just slightly higher, maybe 220, 230, and then we drop down. Again, I'm not sure. I'm just purely guessing at this point of time. 230, 200, again, we don't know. We could zip past 300 as well. So yeah, but I'm anticipating this to be the final wave, right? And yeah, again, be very, very careful about rushing to a trade too soon for UNIBOT.